Got the whole world spinning, feeling dizzy. You see me walk in the spot, yeah, the crowd go wild. Cause wild, check the new watch, that's a new lifestyle. Cha-ching. They see the drip from my head to my feet, so fresh. I'm running the game, can't accept no defeat. Got the bass bumping, shaking the ground. Boom, the king of the scene when I come to your town. Your town. They copy the moves, but they can't get the grace. Always in first, yeah, I'm setting the pace. Fast. Who got the keys to the city? That's me. Who's always looking so pretty? That's me. Who's making moves, staying busy? That's me. Got the whole world spinning, feeling dizzy. Let's go. Ghost in the whip, yeah, I'm moving unseen. Living a life like a movie scene. Action haters, they talk, but they don't make a sound. When I pull up, in the freshest in town. In town. My phone's blowing up, they all wanna connect. Ring, ring. Building my empire, what did you expect? From zero to hero, a story they'll tell. Under my magic, they under my spell. Count the ties. Who got the keys to the city? That's me. Who's always looking so pretty? That's me. Who's making moves, staying busy? That's me. Got the whole world spinning, feeling dizzy. Who else? Top flow, top down, that's the way we ride. Got the whole crew with me, yeah, they by my side. No competition, we left them behind. One of a kind, yeah, the rarest you'll find. That's me, that's me. Yeah, you know it. That's me. Game over. We out. We out.
Tinitikman. Let's get it on. Another left hook. Ito mahirap pa sa akin kasi nagkakaliwa kanan. Nagsiswitch. Oh. Another shoot to the face. Another to the body. Walang balik dito siya nahirapan. Sobrang layo ng side niya. Pasyonis. Nahirapang ipatama yung samurai. Ito na. Oh. Maganda rin yung balik din.
Body hulog din ka sa street ha. Ayun na si Bugis yung body niya.
Saya puro ng Bisaya at another hook. Wow. But Claren andun pa rin. Sibay, bawi din yun. Parehas. Parehong may tira, wow. Nice.
Wala tayong ulo, wala yung ulo ang kalaban.
Walay ulo daw. Ay, ito na. Wow. Ang ganda. Wow. Grabe. Alright. Round number 2 between AG versus Claren. Pasyonis versus Claren. Oh!
Sabay! Ayun, magpupir.
Oh! Another shot.
Salamat, meron.
Titibay.
Sabay, ayun. Ayaw, pagkuhan. Kulat tayo, sumbag. Kulat tayo, sumbag, ano lang.
Oh! Wow! Grabe yun. Oh! Nice brother. Tanda, sabi ko, another What a hidden hit! Grabe! Nagkakainitan. Yung bawat corner parang gusto magsuntukan eh. So, what a nice fight. Oh my goodness! Oh my God! Tapos! Oh my God! Shit! Tulog! Good! Tulog guys! Tulog!
100% knockout. Asangan?
Nice!
Asa 100% knockout.
Wow! Tulog guys! Tulog talaga! Tulog!